We're in LLORET and we had lunch and we've got our bathers on underneath our clothes. We're heading down to the beach, but we're going to start out by having a walk along the coast, and then once we've come back we're planning to have a little dip in the ocean. Oh, look at that. What an interesting place to go paddling. The colour of that water, it's so turquoisey, isn't it? And clear.
I just want to jump in.
Ah, it's lovely. Little children are enjoying that. Oh, looks so inviting, doesn't it? I'd be happy to just have a little potter about in there and just paddling, to be honest. I don't feel any need to swim. I noticed there's a little toilet hut by there. We just can't stop standing and gazing at the water. This rock jutting up here. There's another one a little further behind it as well. Look, here we are again. This is where we were yesterday evening as the light was going. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Like a jigsaw puzzle picture or something. There's a smaller little beach there, look. Some children playing around. All the boats are up here, look. Dotted about. It's quite a low wall here. Look how low it is. It's that low, so I'm like nervous my daughter's going to topple over sideways. It's a mud thing. Lovely little pools there, look, amid the rocks. I wonder what the current's like in there. I want to be careful you don't get washed around and bashed into rocks, I suppose. There's a tunnel. I can see somebody with a snorkel over there out in the sea. Lots of steps on this route here. There's another little staircase here as well to get down. This is a very bouldery one here. Doesn't really look very suitable for doing much. Onwards we go. Ooh. That wasn't a step, it was like a sudden dip down. I wasn't expecting it. More steps. We're on a really strenuous stretch of stairs, so this is how high we are now, and we've got quite a way to go. I think we're about halfway, something like that. Oh. Masks everywhere. Well, here are my two waiting for me. Oh, mine's red. I know, yeah. As he says, look at that shade of blue. Which shade? There are multiple shades.
Turquoise.
I know. Yeah, the turquoise is amazing.
That's more on the green side.
Yeah, a bit more greeny, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, this is so lovely. This is one of the nicest walks ever. Was a bit strenuous though, that climb. But there are actually lots of little sort of seats as part of the staircases, I suppose, bits that jut out, little platforms just at bum height. So obviously they anticipated people might need a little rest every so often. Just gazing out of that beautiful sea. Oh, look at that, is. It's amazing. So sparkly, little flashy sparkles. And I got a pine tree here of some description, all the cones, heavily laden with cones. Still got that lovely cool breeze, but sort of hot ambience with a cool breeze. We've just walked all the way up here, and I was just thinking, what are these funny things here? But they're shriveled up bits of cactus, look. Oh wow, it's completely desiccated. Ouch, it's just still spiky though. I can see that castle-y thing, whatever it is, from this side now. I spotted that last night on our walk and we were wondering what it actually was. Hopefully if you're thinking of doing this walk, you'll have an idea of what the terrain is like and whether it'll suit you or not.
Can I have my drink?
I'm stopping for a little water break. I've gone on ahead. I've been sent as scout. Look at this. It's like being on another planet, isn't it? It's just amazingly beautiful. They're flagging, they are. I've been sent on ahead as a scout to see if there's like a quick cut here up to the road. They can walk back along the road. Yeah, this goes on for 10 kilometres and it looks as if there are quite a few hiking trails here. And so yeah, I think it would suit walkers. Just going up here to see if there's any cut up to the road. I doubt it. It's another one of those. Oh, well, I'm not going to go any further because they're waiting for me. So let's go back the way we came. I honestly could just keep going and going because it's just breathtakingly amazing, this walk. I could have walked, I feel like at the moment I could have walked the 10k, but if I really tried it, it might have been a different story. We are back in civilization now. My companions are flagging for different reasons. I can't hack the heat. It's not hot. It's not, I mean, it's nice and warm with a cool breeze. And Isabel just wants ice cream. Mandarin flavour, so that's what we're on a quest to find. I think I'd rather have a nice hot coffee myself. There's the ice cream counter as he's been dreaming of. Mandarin she wants. We're in the ice cream parlour. Izzy's got the ice cream of dreams. 1 scoop of mandarin ice cream, 1 scoop of mango. He's so kind. Here it is. Maybe is actually expiring. How expired are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
10 now, we sat down.
He's alright in the shade. He needs to come in. Oh, I don't know. I'll have a look in a minute. He's having an iced coffee, and I'm gonna have a hot coffee because that's how I roll. We have not done many steps, only 13,000. We were on 8,000 before we started that walk. That was a minuscule walk. I told you it flashed by. That did not feel like a long walk. This is Ivy's. This is mine. I am jealous, but he said I could taste a bit. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. That is the goodness of coffee with sweetness and ice creamness. That's amazing. Thanks, love. Anyway, I went for a little cortado. Look, they've done a little, I think it's a heart, but it reminds me of a bum.
A bum.
That is flipping good coffee. Oh, it is heaven in a sip.
To be fair, the coffee is...
Oh, it's so good. This is our surroundings, by the way, in case you were wondering. It is now 4:30. I've finished my cortado. He's finished his iced coffee, and Isabel is almost finishing her cone. Now nobody wants to go in the sea anymore, so actually what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that supermarket we were in earlier because Izzy fancies buying something for her room, which is some drinks, and then I think we're going to go back for a rest, an actual rest in the hotel room before dinner. We're just looking for the supermarket, and look, these balconies have got curtains. I've never seen that, but what a good idea for when it's really, really bright sun. I love these things here. Izzy and I seem to be doing some spontaneous browsing in shops here. IB's gone back for a nap. I like cloth things for bracelets because they're comfortable, but those are a little bit rough and scratchy. I just impulsively bought a huge beach towel for just under €5. This is the Gaudi Cathedral in Barcelona. And Izzy's in here looking at all the little knickknacks. I was thinking I might like to buy myself a mug to use here in the room and then take home to have as a souvenir. £3.50. Oh, that's not bad, is it? That's worth it. Might get 2, one for me, one for IB, and then we can take them back to our respective houses. We've got the Gaudi. Look, I'm going to get this for IB, one of the ones with the cathedral, because he loves that cathedral. He studied it when he was, I don't know, at college or uni or something, years and years ago, and he's been interested in it ever since. I have 2 mugs in my bag, and we're going back to the supermarket again. Going in. Not much left in the way of bread, is there? But we don't need any, so that's fine. I bought some nail varnish earlier and I didn't realise it was a top coat, see-through. You can't see, it's not focusing right.
It looks very sad.
Can you touch the image where my thumb is to get it to focus? Just long until it's, oh there we are. Thanks, Izzy. Yeah, look, it's a top coat, so that was no good. I need to get another one. Izzy's going to buy it for me for my belated Mother's Day present. I still haven't had. I've chosen that colour. She's trying to talk me out of it, but I'm insisting. Now I think I can probably get some soy milk from here. Now Izzy came in here earlier, it was in the last vlog, and she got herself a chocolate milk carton. She said it was so nice, she wanted to get a multi-pack to have in the room. She doesn't necessarily want to be in the bar in the night, so she's got something to drink then in her room. We have almond milk. I prefer soya. Almond. I think that's oat milk. Oat. Breast. Soya! Well spotted, Izzy. That's 96. Might be sweet because my boyfriend does not like the sweet one. I'm going to spend a bit of time reading some ingredients. I went for this one because that's got sea salt in it, and I'm not sure if that's going to be very nice in a cup of tea. But this one's got fructose in it, so it might be a bit sweet for my boyfriend, but let's see if he likes it. I think we're ready to go and pay. These sweeties, I don't think they're sugared almonds. They remind me of sugared almonds, but look, they're dressed up to look just like pebbles on the beach. Never seen that before. We're heading back now. We're back to the hotel. Oh no, she's going for the stairs. Just done 15,000 steps. Now we're going up 5 flights of stairs. Well, he's had a nap, and I've been editing with my headphones on in the dark next to him and got a vlogger. Yay! And now we're back off to the restaurant because we're going to get some dinner. Yay! I'm starting with soup today. I asked if it was vegetarian and he said yes. This is really very, very nice soup. Very salty and creamy and delicious. We're sitting up this end today. This is a hot counter, and some things are even cooked fresh for you on demand. Guys, just going back now. Here's dinner. This is fish apparently. I'm off to get some desserts. That was lovely. I didn't manage to eat all the olives though, they're a bit intense. Sugar. Oh, there you are. We got some more of that melon. So there's watermelon and cantaloupe melon, and look at these. I'm a bit full. I might manage a little bit, you know. But they've got ice cream as well. And there's that flan stuff, that's very nice. Eggy and dense and sweet and delicious. This is yoghurt. Quite acidic in a citric sort of way. Got some fruit salad as well. Oh, what shall I have? I'm going to have some of this and some ice cream as well. So I'll have a small amount. We're going for the ice creams. They're all mixed in, all the flavours together.
No strawberry though.
I think I had strawberry yesterday, it was delicious.
Yeah, they haven't got any.
Oh, have they run out?
It's all gone.
Oh, well, I'd have a lemon sorbet myself.
Nice a lemon sorbet.
Is it? I'll go for a lemon sorbet then. Oh, thanks, Liz. Yum, yum, yum. Back to the table then. Oh, I was expecting it to be yellow. This is the sorbet. It's good. It tastes like lemon sherbets, actually. It's very sweet and lemony, like a lemon sherbet. Go on then. I don't know if it's going to work with the flan, but let's see. I don't know what this is actually called. Very good. We had a lovely dinner. It's about 8:30 now. It's dark outside pretty much. I've just nipped back up to the room to grab IB's jumper and another layer for me. Isabel is tired. She's ready to have a bath and have a nice cozy evening in her room. But me and my boyfriend are going to just take a gentle stroll down to the sea and just potter about on the sand a bit, listen to the waves, and then walk back up, and then we'll probably go and have some drinks in the bar again and see if there's some entertainment. But I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Could you please give it a like if you happen to like it, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.